welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some prop hunt with Brendan Corey. Corey's just AFK, we're back on set. So, yeah.
Hello! I mean hello.
How is that though? Okay.
I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Alright, let's go.
Oh.
Get into this. Let's get... What would be our like goal today? We'll try and get 15 likes on this video.
15? And like and subscribe. If you do not subscribe, a spider's gonna be crawling under your bed tonight.
No, it isn't. We're not gonna play.
Wait, what? What did I come back to?
Corey, I said. No, Corey, I said, if you don't subscribe, a spider's gonna be crawling under your bed tonight.
And it's gonna crawl in between your toes.
Okay,
That's a joke.
Right, we're going in. Time to do some prop hunt on the Stray Cat Farms map. So, yeah.
Stray cats. Stray cats.
Stray Cat.
No, wait, I have that laser tag pop on. I think.
Do you want to do? Wait, which one do you want to do?
Laser tag.
Alright, we'll do laser tag.
Griff, you don't have it.
I think I have that. I don't know.
Okay,
If not,
you
we'll
don't,
just-
I have Stray Cat.
We'll just have stray cat farm.
Let me
Yeah.
put it in anyway. I'll put Stray Cat in. If you
Right,
don't-
what is it? Laser beams prop hunt.
No laser tag.
Laser tag. Okay,
No,
let's have a look if I
don't
have it.
it.
Do I have it? Laser tag.
I put Stray Cat
What?
in.
Nah, I don't have it. Yeah, we'll just do stray cat.
No,
Get
shut
air
up,
horn.
bro. Naked cat.
I just blew you with my air horn.
Hey, Corey, no further.
What?
So we're starting the game. Let's just get into this. Alright, I'm
Give me a
first.
chance.
No. Oh yeah, oof, yeah, you asked me to confirm. Oof, like, wait, what?
Bro, are you
You
trash?
hacker! You trash kid.
No, you are. No, you. Whoa! You foot. I don't know why. I just called you a human, but I don't know why.
You're literally dog water.
Yeah, bro, you're literally dog water.
Just
You have
wait,
no
Braden.
earnings.
Braden, come here. Braden, wait, no, wait, be this.
Okay, guys, I'm on my way. Better have a good hiding spot, otherwise I'm
Everywhere.
gonna find you.
Okay, wait, hide here.
He's reminding us.
Hey, can you give me a clue? Hey.
Okay, we're in the front yard.
Flamingo.
You're
We're in the
what?
front yard. We can see. We're in the front yard.
Wait, which is the what? One with the porch?
Flamingo.
Right, so we can see you right now.
Oh, can you?
Yes, we can see you. Oh!
Ew.
I win. Well, that was easy.
Shut up, Chester. We weren't even trying.
You really?
Yeah, we wasn't
I'm
even
hiding
trying.
by myself now. So this is good.
Okay. Yeah, we can team up on you, and you have to give us a clue too. Still.
Tell us your location right now.
No.
Yes, our murderer is gonna come after you.
Yes.
Corey, I'm gonna do damage to you.
Like and subscribe or I'm gonna eat your toes.
We're not clickbait YouTubers, but we're not.
Braden,
I'm
come here.
ready.
Did you subscribe to Chester?
I'm inside. That's my clue, bro.
No, Corey, I'm getting down to 1 HP.
No.
I'm inside. So come whenever you want.
Okay, there we go. Come on.
Okay, so you're inside.
Yeah. But
What
I'm
are you
not going
near?
anywhere. No, I've already given you my one clue, bro. I'm by myself, so it should be hard. I'm inside. I'm not telling you what.
You're not allowed to move this time, though.
Yeah.
You're both not allowed to move. Okay, upstairs or downstairs?
I might not be in the house, dude.
You just said you're inside.
Yeah, but there's a garage and a barn.
Okay, Corey, you search the house and I'll search the barn.
Okay.
And then the garage. No, it doesn't matter. The barn.
Okay, guys. So, I don't think they're gonna find me right here, but they might. So, Just gotta be careful.
If Chester was live streaming, I would be stream sniping him.
Yeah, but I'm not though, am I?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
Chester,
but I wouldn't live
Chester.
stream properly.
I know, but Chester, that's the only thing. Remember, I was saying, are you upstairs or downstairs? There's an upstairs in the barn.
Well, yeah.
I'm the guy. So, upstairs or downstairs?
Well, I'm not telling you because I only gave you one clue, which is I'm inside. I only need to give you one.
How are we supposed to find
Wait,
you
have
then?
have you seen any of us?
Yeah, I saw you both once at the same time.
Okay.
Oh, what was it? Oh, I think it's when we went in the house.
Okay, wait, can you see us now?
Oh, it is in the house. It's in the house.
I can see one of you.
Who can you see?
Is it Graph G?
Yeah. Well, I can't see him anymore.
Wait, can you see us now?
I can see the end of I can see the Graph G's gun, but I can't see the Graph G.
He's in
see me
this
now?
room.
Oh, I think it's in the trash. I heard a ping over here. It's the chair! It's the chair!
No, 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 no,
Ah.
Damn!
GG's, bro!
Yeah. Oh, I'm cheating again.
Hey.
By myself again.
Me and Brayden are
Right,
totally
you have
gonna
to
hide
give
in
me
the
2
same
clues,
spot.
because there's 2 of you. Give me 2 clues about where you are.
No, but yeah, but Chester, now, Chester, you come when we tell you to. When we're
No,
ready.
you're coming soon.
Nah, what happens if we not find our spot?
Well, then
Great, I've got a god spot.
you find it while I'm looking for you.
Oh, flip, I need to get to my spot. Wait.
Alright, give me your clues.
Okay, I'm inside, I'm downstairs.
Okay, so you could be in the barn or the house. Corey, what are your clues?
I'm outside. You're gonna fire me, for God's sake.
Corey nearly swore then. Corey, run! By the way, by the way, Corey's not a really family friendly guy, so we're having to try and make him be family friendly today. Corey, can you see my spot?
Alright, so you're inside and you're downstairs. I'm pretty sure you're
How
Is
did
this a
he
good
just take
spot?
damage?
Corey, is this a good spot? Do you think this is a good spot?
Maybe if Chester's blind.
Right. Since I could see you for a second. I can't
Kinda
see you
bothered.
anymore.
Wait, you could see me.
Yeah, I could see you for a split second. Okay,
He's
I
behind
can
the
see you.
TV, Chester.
No, he isn't, because he's going to see me when I was in the... Right.
I was lying, he was upstairs.
No, he's not. He's downstairs. Wait, what? I'm confused.
He is under the stairs, I meant. He's a duck under the stairs.
No, he's not.
He is.
Stop giving fake clues.
Yeah, he's not.
JK, he's the balloons on the table.
No, he isn't. Wait, I think...
He's actually disguised as the door.
Corey, how does he not see me?
He's disguised as the door.
I know you're here.
No, he's disguised as a door.
Oh, you finally found me. You finally found me.
Yeah, I did.
That was a bad spot too. That was like the worst spot.
Hmm.
That's the worst spot I've ever hidden on this map.
No, lol.
Hello, Corey. Corey, do last forever with me.
No, I'm getting down to 1 HP.
I'm gonna be this. Oh wait, no, I don't want to be that. No. Oh dang. Right, I'm gonna be. Go. That's glitching out. I'm not gonna be that. I'm gonna be this though. And then I'm gonna go.
I'm pickaxing this till the door's open.
I'm gonna get right here. Then I'm gonna.
Okay, I'm 47 HP.
I'm 54.
Okay, give us your hints.
Okay, I'm inside. I only give you one because I'm by myself.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
How is that? How is that fair?
He's
Grace?
inside the house, I think.
No, I could be inside anyway. Same.
That's the only thing we're only giving us one clue, like saying he's inside. Like how
Wait,
are
are
we
you
supposed to know?
upstairs?
Oh, he's inside. He is inside the house. Oh, I think I know where he is. Is that green book?
No.
He's outside. He's outside. This is the hat.
No!
Let's-
No!
How? How are we supposed to get you when you're running?
Ah!
Haha.